Hey guys, it's Nuki from Nuki.com, and I just got an update pushed to my Infinix S3 last night, and with it came the Face ID amongst other improvements. As promised, I'll be testing out the Face ID and comparing it with the Face ID on the iPhone X. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button below to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when the next video drops. So first off, you'll notice a new icon on your home screen. You'll be prompted to enter your password, PIN or pattern, whichever you've got, or create a new one if you don't already have one. I added my face and tested it out, and you can only use one face at a time. Let's delete that and do it again. So to add your Face ID, keep your phone at a comfortable distance 20 to 50 centimeters away from your face until it captures. When you're done with that, toggle the face lighting settings on. This works at night and in extreme low light environment. It gives you the option of turning on flash to enable it to scan your face. A little extreme, but I'd rather have it than not have it. You can also find your Face ID under Settings and Security. The Face ID is fairly accurate and it reads your face most of the time as long as you're looking at the screen. To get Face ID to work, you have to tap your power key or double tap to wake your phone, and then it reads your face. The entire process takes about a second and a half. Also, you cannot fool the Face ID with a photo of you. Now let's see how it matches up with the iPhone X. The iPhone X is about half a second faster, but the time it takes to swipe up from that home screen kind of places the two on par in terms of how quickly you get to see your apps. As for me, I would be using the fingerprint unlock most of the time because it's still the most secure and fastest method of unlocking your phone. Let me know in the comment section if you will be using the Face ID more than the fingerprint security. Do give this video a like if you love the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.